This is Maxell's new wireless soundbar and voice amplifier. This easy to use and set up piece of technology is extremely versatile, allowing it to be used in a variety of different settings. You see, this product is specifically designed for individuals in the field of education, operating perfectly in classrooms, libraries, gymnasiums, lecture halls, outdoor areas, and many other high populated locations. But honestly, don't take it from me. Listen to what actual teachers have to say about this device.
Hello, my name is Jake. I'm a high school English teacher and football coach. Oftentimes at the end of the day, I find my voice coarse from having to raise my voice frequently, both in the classroom and on the football field. The problem is, simply speaking quieter isn't really an option, with both students and athletes at the back or edges of a classroom who need to hear my voice very clearly in order to fully learn. So having this voice amplifier would not only make my job easier, but it would also enhance the learning and understanding of students and athletes.
This product is lightweight and has a really compact design, which ensures effortless mobility, which means it's ideal for integrating audio solutions across diverse learning environments. Not only are there countless students across the entire world with hearing disabilities, but classrooms can be quite large, meaning the students in the back, regardless of a disability, may struggle to hear the instruction. These two issues directed inspiration for Maxell to make this wireless soundbar, a product made to help resolve issues.
I've been teaching for 35 years, and in all that time, there's always kids way in the back that have a hard time hearing what I'm saying from the front. Now that I'm getting older, it's really hard for me to raise my voice and keep the volume up for a long period of time, so it would be helpful to have a product like this to be able to let the kids way in the back hear what I'm saying.
Now, let me explain just how easy this is to use. You simply clip this microphone transmitter onto your shirt, plug in the receiver to the amplifier, sit back, relax, and watch as your voice fills the entire room. The specially designed 2.4G microphone operates strictly on unused channels, meaning there is zero interference from other radio frequencies, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth. And these microphones not only produce better sound quality, but boost the range. Powerful sound projection amplifies your voice, ensuring crystal clear delivery to every corner of the classroom, fostering improved student comprehension.
Hello, my name is Jeff Lang. I'm a science teacher and a football coach at Governor Mifflin High School. It'll be very useful in my classroom as a science teacher, especially when we're doing science labs. I'm talking to a group of people about the lab or procedures or something that they found, and other people on the other side of the room, other groups can hear it without me having to yell. So I think this will be a very useful device in the science classroom.
So if you're in the field of education, know someone who may be, or simply require a device that allows your personal communication to be better heard, then I highly recommend you check out this product for yourself. Only at Maxell.